I've almost always remembered wanting to be in movies. It wasn't until recently that I really liked making movies, or just videos. I don't like to classify them as movies, but memories even. Just video memories. It just made me happy because I love to look back and watch these times that I had. So I wanted to put something together, almost movie-like, cinematic, of just some fond memories from a Ptak's view. That actually means bird in Polish. Thanks to my girlfriend Olivia for teaching me that. Most of this was captured with her, because we always went on adventures and experiences together, so naturally I liked to capture them. And now I just think it would be fun to almost make something like a trailer. So that's why I'm making this. Something movie-like that has the aesthetic of a 35mm Kodak camera. Something like that in the old Hollywood ages. I hope I sort of captured that feeling now, because that's what I try to do. I try to just feel and put that emotion into a video, just like I always loved doing with acting. Really, I think anything that you do, as long as it just has some true, genuine emotion in it, then you're going to be conveying a message. Anyway, thanks for watching.